Hello everybody, so today I have this original GoPro Hero camera that I bought for a whole $5 on eBay. And as you can see, it's white dirty. All around the body has like dust and black specks and grime and sticky stuff. So I will go ahead and clean this up and then we'll see if it works or not. Let's get started. Before cleaning this though, I like to check if there's an SD card or battery in here. So let's go ahead and SD card. Yes it does. Yes it does have it. It's a 16GB class 4 SD card. It's fine but it's not as good as my whole lot of 32GB SD card that I have in this pouch in here. So I will be replacing that to a faster SD card, and this is the battery compartment. And yes, it does have an original GoPro battery, 3.74, 1100 milliamp hours, lithium-ion battery. And can I pull this out? There's a serial number. Do whatever you want with it. I don't care. Alright, let's just put. And as you can see, it turns on successfully right after I put the battery in, so that's a good sign. I just put the SD card in, and it does recognize the SD card. So we know that this turned on. So let's turn this off and begin the cleaning process. Just a quick update, and as you can see, it look a little bit better than than before, but yeah, it still needs some more cleaning. Alright, so the restoration is done. It's still a little bit dirty due to the sticky residue, but it still look better than before, I suppose. But anyway, so what can we do with this? Well, it's a GoPro, so we can take pictures, video, time lapse, like any other GoPro. So let's see what's the quality of this. Alright, so this is the quality of the original GoPro YHDC 5170. Here's my Rebel T3 camera. Going to upgrade that soon. That's my computer. And there's my workbench. And you have to see the footage of the original GoPro Hero. Here's the picture mode. Let's take a picture. And that's the picture quality of the original GoPro. And that is it for the oh. And that's it for this restoration videos. Thanks for watching.